Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the category awards, which have been chosen by our eminent jury members. We are now at the last leg of the awards ceremony, and we have kept the best for the last. Trust me on this. These are very special awards where we recognize the industry leaders for their commitment, dedication, and contribution to the industry. These set of awards are chosen by the Global ITP Editorial Board. So the first special award for tonight is the Entrepreneur of the Year Award. May I request Mr. Partha Karmakar, the head for Professional Lighting Division at Havells India, to announce this very special award for us.
Very good evening to all the audience here. I am really very privileged to be part of this particular award, and that too coming from manufacturing today, one of the most prestigious award ceremonies, as well as the whole industry. We are doing so much of work for the manufacturing industry, which is the heart of any country. So I am really happy that from Havells we are always supporting so much the whole thought of entrepreneurship. We at Havells are very much encouraging people to go out of their boundaries so that they are able to work freely like an entrepreneur. They are not bound by just certain percentage of growth. So we actually in Havells we talk about exponential multiple growths. There is no boundaries. An entrepreneur is a person who does not think about what was done yesterday. He has that thought which is much bigger than the normal organic percentage growth. So that's a very, very interesting category, and I am really very happy that I have been part of this particular award, where I am actually talking about Entrepreneur of the Year Award. This is not at all a normal one. It is really very, very special. And so may I just, be introducing to all of you who is the Entrepreneur of the Year. So any guesses? So let me just have the honor. So we have the Entrepreneur of the Year Award going to Mr. Jeetender Sharma, who's MD and founder of Okinawa Autotech.
Thank you so much for announcing the winner, Mr. Partha. To quickly introduce Mr. Jeetender Sharma, he is the MD and founder of Okinawa Autotech, one of the country's leading electric two-wheeler manufacturer. Mr. Sharma founded Okinawa Autotech in Gurugram in 2015, and today the company has over 75,000 electric scooters on the road, and this is commendable. With a rich experience of 2 decades in the automobile industry, Mr. Sharma holds a strong vision to drive sustainable mobility in the country, with the objective to deliver value, technology, and support for the customers and embrace the motto of Made in India and localization. Mr. Sharma is determined to bring quality EVs to every common man of India. He and his team are selflessly and steadfastly working in unison to achieve the common goal of a clean and green environment. With this, I'd request to hand it over to Mr. Jeetender Sharma.
A very good evening, everyone. I am Jeetender Sharma, MD and founder of Okinawa Autotech. I am highly delighted and honored to receive the Entrepreneur of the Year Award. I am grateful to the Manufacturing Today magazine member of the award panel for honoring me with this wonderful award. I set out my entrepreneur journey in 2015 and have never felt so empowered. I look forward to contributing to the country with the futuristic vision that we at Okinawa have to hold for the EV industry. Such recognition not only inspires me but is also a token of motivation that keeps me moving forward with a concrete vision to make India a EV manufacturing hub. On that note, I would like to thank our dealers and customers who trust us to become a part of our journey of power the change. Thank you once again for honoring me with this award.
Many congratulations, Mr. Sharma, for winning this prestigious award. It's great to have you on this platform and great to present this award to you.